I'd like to give you a warm welcome back to This Guy's Garage. Today, this just came in the mail. I won this, and I was happy to get it. If you've seen what my booster cables look like, you know how much I need one of these booster packs. I always got something with a dead battery hanging around the yard, so having a booster pack is just the ticket for me, and I was happy to win this. I won it from Tim at Astral Auto Repair. Go over and check out his channel because he did an in-depth product review on this. He actually was able to jumpstart his 5-ton truck with the battery disconnected, which blew my mind. I'm going to take this in the box. Let's have a look at it. So it's a loftek jump starter. Comes in a nice handy carrying case. This is compact also, so you should be able to put it in a door cavity or store it in the trunk of your car. It takes up no space, so I think this is the brains of the operation right here. I think because this unit is small. Let's get it at the package. This unit is small, and when Tim was testing this, I think it came to about 500 or 400 or 500 cold cranking amps. So there must be a transformer in here that upscales the energy to make the likelihood of a boost happen. Easy to plug in. You can only plug it in one way. Right off the bat, it's got 4 bars. So I haven't even charged this. So let's give it a try, see if it will boost my vehicle, because I have something with a dead battery here right now, and let's get it going. Now I always have something hanging around that's got a dead battery, so this is going to come in amazingly handy. I don't have to be running around looking for an extension cable. The battery charger. Black on negative post or ground source. Red on positive. The light turned green, which means it's ready to go. What more could I ask for? So another handy feature of this is it can charge your cell phone up. And it just so happens that I could have used this last Sunday. And Tim phoned me up and he tore a strip off me for not having such a device. And rightfully so.
For first saved message. Sean, are you kidding me? You go and start this live stream with a dead battery? I'm looking to watch this race? You got to be kidding me. Get a battery from somebody else. Carry a battery pack with you. Carry a few batteries. I don't know, dude. A battery pack, right? That's easy to carry. What is that? Yeah, a battery bank. Carry a power bank with you as well. Dang it. Oh, my goodness. I want my money back.
Because I was live streaming. And I was there for 3.5 hours. It was in the minus temperatures and my phone went dead. So I'll keep this with me wherever I go, and I won't run into that problem again where I'll run out of battery. I want to thank Tim and Sylvia for shipping this up to me. Greatly appreciated. So hopefully this helped you. Go over and see Tim and Sylvia at Astral Auto Repair. And until the next time, this guy out. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. It's right there. You can watch another video. Take a trip over to see Tim and Sylvia at Astral Auto Repair. Until the next time, this guy out.